Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with lots of important opportunity from the TCS, IBM and other important company. So talking about the first important opportunity from the TCS, and this is walk-in drive in Bhopal. So on 20th Feb. So if you know any candidates who are from 2023, 2024, 2025 graduate, then you can share this description with them. So who are eligible? Courses BCom, BA, BBA, BBM, BMS, BF, BBI and BSc excluding CSIT. Means for CSIT they announce the TCS, NQT and all things. So these are for only these courses. Okay. And location is TIT Technocrat Group campus, Anand Nagar, Vel, Bhopal. Postgraduate MCom and MA except economics all are eligible, and these are the batches. So if you have experience of 0 to 6 months, then also eligible, and if you don't have, then no need to worry, you can go through it. So what to carry? Updated resume, original and scanned copy of academic document and government ID proof, that is Aadhaar, voter ID card and TCS application form, from which you can fill from the TCS Next Step portal. So this is one the wonderful opportunity and everyone should apply, and this is a walk-in drive. So if you are eligible, if you know any candidates, you can share this job with them. Next important hiring from the StoneX, and they are hiring for associate full stack developer, React, Node and Java. So if you are proficient in all these skills, then you should apply, and these will be your roles and responsibility. So you will participate in code review, debugging session, ensure optical performance, scalability and security, contribute CI/CD pipeline. And what are the desired skill? So you should have strong understanding of JavaScript, HTML, CSS and TypeScript, and experience with React or Node.js, and you can go through complete job link in the description. So who are eligible? So recent graduate in 2025, 2024 all can apply, and if you have some experience too, then also you can apply. And this is also a hybrid job. So 4-day work in office. Coming to next important opportunity, and that is they are hiring for, means CSG hiring for billing system analyst one, and this is also a full-time role. So if you have basic knowledge in all these things, then you can apply. Dear friends, I will provide all the job link in the description. You can directly access to that, and make sure to check all the eligibility thing before applying. Okay, so for this role, bachelor degree in information technology, computer science, engineering, all are eligible, and if you have some experience, then this is also added advantage. Proficient in English and business environment. Friend, if you have been selected for any company interview, and if you want to schedule mock interview with us, then you can schedule with us. That will really beneficial for you for real interview. We will also provide you dedicated feedback and all things. So if you are interested, you can fill. Next important opportunity from the e-clerks. They are hiring for the role of analyst recruitment, and job location is Chandigarh, Mohali. So you can go through responsibility. You will be responsible for talent sourcing, candidate screening and all that things. So if you are interested in this, then you should apply. So bachelor degree in HR or business administrations or related field, if you have, then you can apply for this important role. And last hiring that I've already provided you update on my YouTube channel related to IBM mass hiring for 2025 pass out batch and 2024 too, that is the associate system engineer. So if you haven't applied to it, must apply. And if you don't want to miss any job update, then make sure to subscribe and support us. This will be really beneficial for you. So you should have minimum 6 CGPA and proficient in all these language. So go and apply, and all the best for further job searching. If you find this video helpful, make sure to share, like, share and subscribe. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.